Ever wondered how millions of fresh aloe vera leaves are processed? Let's take a journey to South Africa to find out. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into an incredible journey, the processing of millions of fresh aloe vera leaves in South Africa. Aloe vera is known for its healing and soothing properties, but have you ever thought about how it gets from the fields to the products you use daily? Join us as we uncover the meticulous steps involved in transforming raw aloe vera leaves into high-quality gel, shipped and loved worldwide. First, let's head to the aloe vera farms. In South Africa, aloe vera grows abundantly due to the favorable climate. Skilled workers start early in the morning to avoid the heat of the day. They carefully select mature aloe vera plants, which are usually around 2 to 3 years old. These plants have thick, juicy leaves that are rich in the gel we need. The workers use sharp knives to cut the leaves at the base, close to the stem. This method ensures that the plant remains healthy and can continue to produce more leaves in the future. Each cut is made with precision to avoid damaging the plant. The workers are trained to identify the best leaves, choosing only those that are healthy and free from damage or disease. After cutting, the leaves are placed gently into baskets or crates. The workers take care to handle the leaves delicately to prevent bruising, which can affect the quality of the gel inside. It's a labor-intensive process, requiring both skill and experience. Once the baskets or crates are filled, they are transported from the fields to a central collection point. Here the leaves are weighed and recorded. This helps to keep track of the yield and ensures that the right amount of aloe vera is harvested each day. The leaves are then loaded onto trucks, ready to be taken to the processing facility. This careful and methodical harvesting process is crucial. It ensures that only the best quality aloe vera leaves are selected and that the plants can continue to thrive, providing a sustainable source of aloe vera for the future. After harvesting, the aloe vera leaves are carefully transported to the processing facility. The journey starts with loading the leaves onto trucks at the collection point. Special care is taken to ensure the leaves are handled gently during this transfer. The leaves are placed in crates or containers designed to protect them from damage. These containers are often padded or lined to prevent bruising, which is important for maintaining the quality of the aloe vera gel. Once loaded, the trucks are driven to the processing facility. The transport route is planned to minimize time and avoid any rough roads that could harm the leaves. The trucks are equipped with ventilation systems to keep the leaves fresh and cool during the journey. The trip usually takes a few hours, depending on the distance between the farm and the facility. During this time, the leaves are kept out of direct sunlight and excessive heat, which helps preserve their quality. Upon arrival at the processing facility, the leaves are unloaded carefully. Workers check the condition of the leaves to ensure they are still fresh and ready for the next steps. This initial inspection helps to identify any issues that might need attention before the leaves are processed. Proper transport is crucial in maintaining the quality of aloe vera. By handling the leaves with care and ensuring a smooth journey, the facility can produce high-quality aloe vera products. Once the aloe vera leaves arrive at the processing facility, the first step is to clean them thoroughly. This process is essential to remove any dirt, debris, or contaminants that might be on the surface of the leaves. The leaves are first rinsed with water to remove loose dirt. Then they are soaked in a solution of water and mild disinfectant to ensure that any remaining impurities are eliminated. The soaking time is carefully monitored to ensure effectiveness without damaging the leaves. After soaking, the leaves are scrubbed gently with brushes to remove any stubborn dirt. This step ensures that the surface of each leaf is clean and ready for the next stage. The leaves are then rinsed again with clean water to wash away any remaining cleaning solution. Once cleaned, the leaves are inspected for any remaining residues or defects. Any leaves that don't meet the quality standards are set aside. The clean leaves are then prepared for the extraction process. With the leaves cleaned, the next step is extracting the gel. This process begins by removing the outer green skin of each aloe vera leaf. Skilled workers use specialized tools to carefully peel away the tough outer layer, exposing the clear, jelly-like gel inside. The peeling is done with precision to ensure that as much of the gel is preserved as possible. The inner gel is then scooped out using spoons or mechanical extractors. This clear gel is the valuable part of the aloe vera plant, known for its soothing and healing properties. The extracted gel is collected in clean containers to prevent contamination. This process requires attention to detail to avoid any bits of the outer skin mixing with the gel. The gel is kept at a cool temperature to maintain its quality before further processing. After extraction, the aloe vera gel undergoes filtering to ensure its purity. The gel is poured into large filtering machines that use fine mesh screens to separate any remaining bits of leaf or other impurities. The filtering process is crucial for achieving a smooth and consistent gel. It removes any small particles or debris that might affect the gel's quality and appearance. The filtered gel is then collected in clean containers. Samples of the gel are often tested at this stage to ensure that it meets the required standards for purity and consistency. This step helps to maintain the high quality of the final product. To ensure that the aloe vera gel remains fresh and effective over time, it undergoes a stabilization process. Stabilizing involves adding natural preservatives that help extend the shelf life of the gel without altering its beneficial properties. The preservatives are mixed into the gel in precise amounts to maintain its quality and effectiveness. This step is important because aloe vera gel is prone to degradation, especially when exposed to light and heat. Once stabilized, the gel is carefully mixed to ensure an even distribution of preservatives. The gel is then tested to confirm that the stabilization process has been successful and that the gel meets the required standards. With the gel stabilized, the next step is packaging. The gel is poured into clean, sterile containers designed to protect it from contamination and environmental factors. Each container is filled to a precise level and then sealed tightly to prevent any air or moisture from entering. This helps to keep the gel fresh and effective until it reaches the consumer. The containers are then labeled with information about the product, including its ingredients, usage instructions, and expiration date. Proper labeling is important for both compliance with regulations and informing consumers. Once labeled, the containers are packed into boxes or crates for shipment. The packed products are stored in a cool, dry area until they are ready to be shipped to distributors or retailers. Quality control is a vital part of the aloe vera processing journey. Throughout the process, samples of the gel are tested at various stages to ensure it meets high standards. Tests include checking for purity, consistency, and the presence of beneficial compounds. Each batch of gel is carefully inspected to ensure it is free from contaminants and that it retains its natural properties. Quality control also involves reviewing the entire processing operation to ensure that all steps are performed correctly and that the equipment is functioning properly. This ongoing vigilance helps to maintain the high standards expected by consumers. Aloe vera thrives in various regions around the world, but South Africa stands out as a major growing region. The country's climate is ideal for aloe vera cultivation, with its warm temperatures and abundant sunlight. Aloe vera plants are particularly well suited to South Africa's arid and semi-arid regions, where they can grow in well-drained soil with minimal water. The country's diverse landscapes, from the semi-desert Karoo to the coastal areas, provide the perfect environment for aloe vera farming. Large-scale farms are spread across these regions, benefiting from South Africa's favorable growing conditions. This makes South Africa one of the leading producers of aloe vera, supplying both local and international markets with high-quality leaves. Farmers in South Africa use both traditional and modern farming techniques to maximize the yield and quality of their aloe vera crops. The combination of natural advantages and skilled farming practices ensures a steady supply of this valuable plant. Aloe vera is renowned for its wide range of benefits, which contribute to its popularity in various industries. The gel extracted from aloe vera leaves is known for its soothing and healing properties. It is commonly used in skincare products to moisturize and heal the skin, thanks to its ability to soothe burns, reduce inflammation, and promote healing. In addition to skincare, aloe vera is also used in hair care products to improve scalp health and strengthen hair. Its natural compounds help to reduce dandruff and promote hair growth. The plant's benefits extend beyond personal care. Aloe vera is also used in dietary supplements for its potential digestive and immune system benefits. The global demand for aloe vera has been steadily rising due to its diverse applications and health benefits. As awareness of natural and organic products grows, more consumers are seeking out aloe vera for its soothing and therapeutic properties. The demand is driven by several factors, including the increasing popularity of natural skincare and wellness products. Aloe vera is featured prominently in a wide range of products, from beauty creams to dietary supplements, making it a sought-after ingredient in the global market. Additionally, the expansion of e-commerce platforms has made it easier for consumers worldwide to access aloe vera products. As a result, producers in South Africa and other major growing regions are working to meet this rising demand while ensuring the quality and sustainability of their products. The growing interest in aloe vera highlights its role as a key player in the natural products industry. With ongoing opportunities for innovation and market expansion, the aloe vera processing industry in South Africa is committed to environmental responsibility. Efforts are made to minimize waste and use eco-friendly practices throughout the process. Leftover plant materials such as the outer skins of the leaves are often recycled or composted. This reduces waste and supports sustainable practices. The facility may also use energy-efficient equipment and implement water-saving measures to further reduce its environmental impact. By focusing on sustainability, the industry helps to ensure that aloe vera production remains a responsible and eco-friendly practice. From harvesting to packaging, the processing of aloe vera leaves in South Africa involves careful and precise steps. Each stage is designed to maintain the quality and effectiveness of this amazing plant. Now that you've seen the journey from the field to the final product, you can appreciate the effort and dedication that goes into every bottle of aloe vera gel. Thanks for joining us on this fascinating exploration. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos like this. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or thoughts about aloe vera processing.